That looks so awesome. I cannot wait to see the new Mad Max. Although, since I'm a guy, I'm not supposed to. At least that's what men's rights activist Aaron Clarey said on his blog. Clarey asked all men to boycott the film because, even though science has told us and proven that men are physically stronger than women, it is nonetheless discarded by the forces driving this feminist nonsense. Yeah, but science has also proven that men in their 30s are physically stronger than guys in their 60s, but that didn't make the Expendables any less awesome. Clarey also said that men in America and around the world are going to be duped by explosions, fire tornadoes, and desert raiders into seeing what is guaranteed to be nothing more than feminist propaganda. So there's explosions, fire tornadoes, desert raiders, and the hero is way prettier than these guys? I'm not seeing the downside. But if Clarey doesn't like all that, he's definitely not gonna like this.
I am female as
Former Daily Show correspondent Samantha Bee has officially entered the late-night talk show party with a teaser for her upcoming show on TBS. Although up until now, that party has been a very specific kind of party.
Sausage.
Oh.
I have mild, extra mild. I have no idea what that one is, and I hear really good things about that English banger.
Actually, you know what? I think I'm kind of done with sausages.
I'm Nick Paschal. Be sure to check out our daily TV recap show, What You Missed, right here on this site.